Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting the best material, choose RAW files, and import them into a single catalog so you can work non-destructively. Once done, do a quick cull, flag the keepers, and reject the obvious failures. This saves time later. Make sure to back up originals to at least one external drive immediately because safe originals let you experiment. As you import, add basic metadata and keywords so you can find versions and export settings later without hunting through folders. You tackle the middle process by fixing the fundamentals. Correct white balance and exposure using the histogram so you avoid clipping bright or dark areas. Then shift to tone, adjust contrast, highlights, shadows, and use clarity or texture sparingly to preserve skin. Once global adjustments feel right, create local masks for eyes, skin, sky, or background to refine specific zones. Make sure to apply lens corrections and remove chromatic aberration early, because optical fixes change how later retouching reads. You finish by preparing the image for its destination. Sharpen tailored to output size and apply subtle film grain if it improves perceived detail. Once done, soft proof against the target color profile and export using presets for web, print, or social so you keep consistent results. Make sure to embed the correct color profile and include metadata. If colors look off after export, troubleshoot by checking monitor calibration and ensuring your export profile matches the destination.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.